Hi guys, welcome back. Or if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Monisi and I really love doing crafts, DIYs, furniture flips, a lot of those types of things. So if that's something you're interested in, I hope you stick around, subscribe, and follow along on this adventure I'm on. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this adorable gingerbread house wreath. I did something similar to this last year, and I'm going to tag the creator who actually made the templates for the little houses. Down below, I will leave the templates, and I don't want to take credit for her creations, but I do want to give my little twist on it. So I do want to give Delia Creates a big shout out and thank you for this adorable template that I used last year and I'm using again this year. For this craft, you will need a cutting mat. You'll need cardstock paper, any color of the gingerbread house. I picked a little bit of a lighter color, but you can go with a brown if you'd like. You'll also need a glue stick and white puff paint. You'll also need white glitter, bottle brush trees for some added decor. An X-Acto knife is also very important for this project, and scissors to cut out the houses as well. And the most important thing you'll be needing is a wreath, preferably with flocking already on it. So these templates came with 3 pages, so that is 6 houses, 2 on each page. And I just started out by cutting out the houses before I cut out the details with the X-Acto knife. This part of the craft does take quite a long time, so if you don't have the patience or the time, you can go on Etsy and look for houses that are done, already made. Sometimes they're probably not made of paper, but I've seen a lot of wood ones. So you can do that or go on Amazon, it's up to you. You can also thrift and see if they have anything. In these next clips, I'll just be showing you how to fold the houses. It's pretty self-explanatory. There's just dotted lines that you fold. And then I did end up using a hot glue gun to glue it because the glue stick was just not keeping it intact. So that's just a heads up. And then this is what it looks like when you're done. There are 4 or 6 different houses, but this is one of them. And I just love how cute they are. I wanted my houses to look like real gingerbread houses, so I put some glue on the roof and then I added some white glitter on the roof to make it look like the classic gingerbread houses that you see that have the sugar on the top, and I thought it looked really nice. I was happy with how it turned out, and these are actually glow-in-the-dark glitter, so that was pretty neat. The next step is to use the white puff paint. I wanted the gingerbread houses to look like they were put together with white icing. So what I did was put the white puff paint along the edges of the houses, and I made designs on the roof as well to make it look like an authentic gingerbread house. If you want more of a clean look, you can also use white paint pens instead, and it's way less messy. I didn't do the intricate details, so if that's something that you're interested in, white paint pens will be your best friend. Once the paint was dry, I did fluff the wreath and Then I was just playing around with the houses where I wanted everything to go. Once I was happy with how I had the houses set up and the bottle brush trees, I did end up using a hot glue gun and I ended up gluing everything in place. Now it was finally time to hang up the wreath and see our finished product. If you guys remember earlier, I did say that the glitter was glow in the dark, so I took a picture of it in the dark and I thought it was so cool. And so if you want that, I saw it at Joann Fabrics. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for future content, ring the notification bell if you want to know when I have something new posted. And comment down below, let me know if you enjoyed this little craft, and if you do end up making it, can you please tag me on Instagram? My handle is Monisi_makes, and I hope to see you in the next video. It does look like a dog treat though. I'm gonna eat it to show you it's not. Don't buy these.